Alrighty, time to configure IPv6 addresses. Okay, so I want you to take a look at this lab. When I get out the way, I want you to print screen right now. This lab, go ahead, record it, print screen it, do whatever you got to do. All right, because this is the one we're going to be working with. Okay, and what we're going to do is statically assign the IP addresses to the PCs, obviously. All right, and then we're going to use the EUI64 over here. All right, so you can see how it gets its IP addresses automatically on the other router. Okay, so let's go straight to the lab. Let's go straight to the lab and not waste any time. Here's our lab. All right, so the computers already have their IP addresses. All we gotta do is go into the routers and configure that. All right, so we'll put the router over here. We'll bring the lab back over here. We're working with this particular router right over here. All right, so we're going to enable. Let's name this host 1, host name R1. IPv6, what I say to do first, unicast routing, turn it on, turn it on, turn it on. Okay, now we're going to the interface, F0/0, enter. IPv6 address 2001:3200 BADD 1000 F with a /56 or prefix length 56. That's what's good about it also. And then we're going to do a no shut. So that hasn't changed, right? Then we go to the IPv6, not IPv6, interface F0/1, enter. I'm going to up arrow. So I have to type this whole thing again. This is the 1200. All right. Same network prefix, 1200 there for the subnet. F is the IP address. No, nope. 1 is the IP address. We're going across the top. All right. That's that. No shut. Do WR. You want to take a look at what you've done? Control Z. Show IPv6 int brief. And there they are right there. All right. No biggie. Let's go across now. We're going to do this side right over here. So let's open up that router. Let's bring it over here. This is going to be router 2. So enable config T. Now we're going to have the interface F00 as far as statically, but we're going to have the F01 obtain its IP address automatically. So let's go into interface F00 IPv6. Oh, what a minute. I broke my own rule. IPv6 unicast routing. Now int F00 IPv6 address. And we'll just type it 2001. Oops. 2001 :3200 BADD 1200 :2 cipher 56 or /56. All right, and we'll do a no shut on that one. Not happy that didn't come up, but okay, we'll figure it out. Oh, I know what happened. So remember what I told you, that when you put an IP address, that's not part of that because we're doing the F00. But I was looking up here. So what we're going to do, we're still inside that interface. We're going to say no IPv6 address, because remember, we got to take it out. We can't just leave it in there. We have to take it out because we can put multiple addresses. Hit enter. Now we're going to up arrow, and this time we're going to put 14. That's F00. We're going to put 1400, and that's going to be F. Okay, pretty cool. All right, that's fine. And then we're going to no shut that one. All right. Now in the F01, we're going to do it slightly different. Int F0/1. All right, but what we're going to do is this IPv6 address, and then we're going to do 2001 colon 3200 colon BADD colon 1200 colon slash 56. I didn't put any IP address. I didn't put any number there because we want EUI-64. Enter. Do WR. Let's do a Control Z. Let's go to privilege mode. Do a show IPv6 int brief. Okay, and we see that the F00 has IP address. We put it in there, but take a look at the F01. It automatically has an IP address. Why? And I put that FFFE in the middle. Now it's telling me it's administratively down, meaning I never did a no shut on them. So I don't see why, but okay. So let's go in there. I'm pretty sure I did. Config T, interface F0/1. Let's do a no shut. And then we'll go int F0/0. And let's do a no shut in there again. Control Z. Let's do a show IPv6 int brief. Okay. So this thing still is administratively, oh no, not that one. Look at that. F01 is up. There we go. We're good. That's this one going that way, and the one going down is up as well. So that is how you assign, and you see that the EUI-64, which is the F01, it actually assigned an interface ID itself. Okay, it's using the MAC address of that particular interface, right? This interface right here is using the MAC address of that interface and is padding it with that triple FE you see here in the middle to create that 64-bit address. So now we've assigned IPv6 addresses, and let's save this because we're going to reuse this lab again now that the IP addresses are set. All right, and if you want it to ping, you can ping, but of course, we want to ping, let's ping this one, which is our neighbor, obviously. Copy, paste, and then :1. And we have a success rate. We ping, you see there's no, even though it's Ethernet, there's no ARP, there's no broadcast, nothing like that. So this is how you assign manually an IPv6 address to a router, okay? And how to use the EUI-64, which you see, where is it? Where were we? No, I didn't know where you were. Okay, EUI-64 to get that particular one. So you put IPv6, you put the IPv6, the network ID, // whatever the previous length is, EUI-64. That's it. And it will assign an IP address automatically. It will generate the interface ID portion of the address. And never ever forget to start off with a configuration just to have it there, since you know you're doing IPv6 unicast routing. Well, that's it. That's as difficult as it gets. See you in the next.